I searched how to buy shares of Transportadora de Gás del Sur S.A. to demonstrate the process. Transportadora de Gás del Sur S.A. operates natural gas transmission and related infrastructure and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TGSUS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TGSUS to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for Transportadora de Gás del Sur S.A. to locate the correct share. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Check the company details and chart to confirm this is the correct TGSUS stock before proceeding. To place an order, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order will be queued to execute later, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, I placed a link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.